started without me. Alright, what did you do? Pour cream in the cream and butter into a pan.
Parmesan.
Parmesan cheese.
Salt.
Salt and pepper.
No pepper because you don't like pepper.
You can put a little pepper. I don't mind a little. There's some sea salt over here. No? Okay. So we just wait for it to get creamy and that's it, huh? We usually use, so we usually use like a starch? Some starch or cornstarch? No.
No, not for...
Not cornstarch, but
No, that's...
gravy mix.
You're talking about Chinese food or something. Or some sort of something.
That's it? Just cream, butter, and Parmesan cheese?
You don't really need butter, but I'm going to put butter on there anyway because that's the way you want it.
It is? I didn't know that's how I wanted it. Now I do. Is that enough sauce for everyone? I need to make more. That does not look healthy. It tastes really good though. Says it does not look healthy.
This is what you adore.
Is that what I eat?
That's what you eat.
Oh boy.
All you eat is fat, butter, and cream. That's what you like. You don't like red pasta sauces.
It gives me heartburn.
Well, this gives heartburn too.
Well, I don't eat that much of it. I eat very little of it. Mostly veggies. Blame it on Alan. He made you make it. I was craving it for some reason.
You're always craving this. This is the only sauce that you want.
This is the only sauce I like. Should we put some cashews in it? I've got some cashews with garlic.
This isn't Chinese food.
I know. My favorite dish is that one from Stanley's, that cashew.
That's chicken salad.
No.
Well, you have it substituted with salmon.
With broccoli. No. It's the pasta with the chicken, but I put salmon in it instead.
Oh yeah. Well, you totally destroyed the dish that they came up with.
How did I destroy it?
Because it's supposed to be chicken with alfredo and linguine is what it's supposed to be. And you change it to salmon with cashews and a sauce.
It's just as yummy. Alright, is that it? Yay, it's done. Time to eat.
Well, the girls aren't done with any of their stuff. I'm just doing this for you.
Alright. I'll wait.
We haven't started.
Okay. Can I have a bite?
No.
Okay, have to wait for dinner.